Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we from group 6. In this video we will presentation about shipping company. In the first, I will explain about definition of shipping company. Shipping company are entities that provide solution for delivering goods from one place to another place. They offer different types of service, including shipping via ship, plane, truck, or train. There are several types of shipping, including number one is ocean shipping. This refers to company that specialize in shipping goods by sea. They can organize shipment in cargo ship or container ship. And number two is air shipping. Air shipping company use airplane to deliver goods. This is a very vast option, ideal for shipping over long distance. And number three is ground shipping. Ground shipping company transports goods using truck or other ground vehicles. They can take care of shipment domestic, usually within one country. And the next is Bilal.
Type of ship freight transport. The first one, bulk cargo ship. Bulk cargo ship is one type of ship that is often used for shipping the cargo carried by this ship for a form of bulk material or better known as a bulk ship. The secondly, container ship. A container ship that transport containers containing various kinds of goods. Containers ship used for export shipping where product delivery requires packaging. The next, tanker ship. A tanker ship security protocol that is of ship is specifically designed to transport oil or other possibly material. This ship cannot be used to send other goods because it has its own ship. The next, ro-ro ship. Ro-ro ship, roll on, roll off ship are ship that commonly seen by Indonesian people. Usually, the cargo to be sent is put to truck first before being carried across by ro-ro ship. Thank you.
The example of shipping company. Number 1, Mediterranean Shipping Company. Mediterranean Shipping Company is privately owned global shipping company based in Switzerland in Italy. Founded in 1970 by Gianluigi Ponti as one of the leading shipping company in the world, with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. MSC operates trucks 675 offices in 155 countries, employ approximately 180,000 people, and maintains a fleet 760 vessels spanning the globe. They transport 22.5 million TEU annually. In Indonesia, MSC has 12 branch offices. MSC provides shipping container and logistics for a wide range of industries worldwide, including agriculture, pharmaceuticals, mining and minerals, automotive, chemical and petrochemical, as well as food and beverage. MSC.
Perusahaan AP Moller Maersk merupakan perusahaan yang bergerak di bidang jasa pengangkutan barang. Perusahaan ini aktif dalam pengangkutan kargo baik via darat maupun via laut. Selain itu, perusahaan ini juga memberikan layanan terkait seperti operasi pelabuhan. This company is headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, with subsidiaries and an office spread across 130 countries. This company also employed around 80,220 people in 2018. Moller Maersk has been the world's largest operator of container ship and supply vessels since 1996. So, what is mean by the container ship? Container ship atau kapal peti kemas merupakan kapal yang dirancang secara khusus untuk mengangkut suatu muatan atau barang dengan ukuran atau bentuk kontainer intermodal. Peti kemas sendiri merupakan sebuah kemasan yang dirancang secara khusus dengan ukuran tertentu, dapat dipakai berulang kali, serta dapat digunakan untuk menyimpan muatan atau barang dan dapat melindungi muatan tersebut agar terhindar dari segala kerusakan.
The CMA CGM Group is a global container shipping company headquartered in Marseille, France. They are one of the largest container shipping companies in the world. The group was founded in 1978 by Jacques Side and has grown into a company with an extensive shipping network, operating hundreds of container ships and providing shipping service to various ports worldwide. The CMA CGM Group is also involved in various aspects of the logistic and transportation industry, including container terminals, land logistics service, and supply chain solution. Operating hundreds of container ships and providing shipping service to various ports worldwide. The CMA CGM Group is also involved in various aspects of the logistic. Thank you.
PT Pelayaran Nelly Dwi Putri Tbk is an Indonesian company engaged in domestic and international shipping and transportation service, oil and gas shipping service, and vessel charter service. The company has been operation commercially since 1977 and has subsidiaries such as PT Permata Barita Shipyard dan Engineering, PT Nelly Energi Lestarindo, PT Pelayaran Asko Hanli Global, and PT Pelayaran Nelly Anugrah. PT Pelayaran Nelly Anugrah is engaged in transportation and warehousing, which includes for domestic and foreign sea transportation for goods and special goods, transportation consulting, and wireless telecommunication. The company stock listed on Indonesia. PT Pelayaran Nelly Dwi Putri Tbk menawarkan berbagai layanan pengiriman dan transportasi, antara lain melayani pengiriman dalam dan luar negeri, layanan transportasi, jasa pengiriman minyak dan gas, layanan penyewaan kapal. Perusahaan berkomitmen untuk menyediakan layanan pengiriman dan konsultasi terintegritas. Selain itu, PT Pelayaran Nelly Dwi Tbk memiliki anak perusahaan seperti PT Permata Barita Shipyard dan Engineering, PT Nelly Energi Lestarindo, PT Pelayaran Asko Hanli Global, dan PT Pelayaran Nelly Anugrah yang menawarkan jasa transportasi dan pergudangan, termasuk transfer laut dalam dan luar negeri, transportasi untuk barang dan barang khusus, konsultasi transportasi dan telekomunikasi nirkabel.
PT Samudra Indonesia is integrated cargo, transportation, and logistics company. PT Samudra Indonesia was created on November 13, 1964 by Suedarpo Sasro-Satomo. The company provides container and bulk cargo shipping service, offshore shipping, ship management and operation, shipping agency service, port and terminal development, port and terminal operation, port equipment and maintenance, project logistic, warehousing and distribution center, container depots, land transportation, cold chain logistics, property management, and civil construction.
PT Meratus Line is an Indonesian shipping company that was founded in 1957. The company has a long history of providing point-to-point transportation solution and network. Meratus Line in the first Indonesian shipping company of the operate decided container liner service in the 1990. Jadi PT Meratus Line adalah perusahaan pelayaran Indonesia yang didirikan pada tahun 1957. Nah, perusahaan ini tuh sudah memiliki sejarah panjang dalam menyediakan solusi dan transportasi dan dari poin ke poin. Perusahaan ini juga perusahaan pertama yang di Indonesia dan perusahaan pertama yang mengoperasikan layanan peti kemas khusus, dan itu dimulai pada tahun 1990. The company has expanded its service to include container, charter, dry bulk, terminal, logistics, and sector. Meratus Line operates a liner service network that connects major ports in Indonesia, and it's supported by efficient trucks the country. Perusahaan ini juga telah memperluas layanannya hingga mencakup sektor peti kemas, terus curah kering, logistik, dan sektor sebagainya. Meratus Line juga mengoperasikan jaringan layanan liner yang menghubungkan pelabuhan-pelabuhan besar di Indonesia dan didukung juga oleh kantor di seluruh tanah air.